If you want to remove objects from photos on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, first of all, we're gonna go to the gallery. Over here in the gallery, we want to open the photo that we want to edit. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. And then you can easily tap on this Galaxy AI icon. And in here, you should be able to open all of these Galaxy AI tools. You can also tap on the pen instead that we have here. And on the left side at the bottom, you should be able to find the Galaxy AI icon once again. Now over here, we have the AI eraser. So if you want to remove something from your photo, now you need to simply draw a shape around the object that you want to remove. Most likely it is going to snap to the object, and then once it is highlighted, in case it is correctly highlighted, you can tap on the erase button. And now we just need to wait for the result, and it shouldn't take too long to actually get it done. And so let's wait a couple of more seconds, and there we go, it is removed. In case there is something left after removing something from the photo, you can still select that area and that leftover, and you can of course keep trying to fix this, keep trying to erase those things. Of course, once you are done, just tap on the done over here, and then we can save as copy. And there we go, that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.